It was mid. What do you mean cap, dude? It's Connor PowerPoint. It's right here, bro. Gotta make sure I collect my dirt just in case, you know. Let me actually go back to the library and see if we can get that firecracker. Gaming console. Oh, nice. You got yourself a trade. Awesome. Thanks. Pleasure doing business with you. There we go. We got what looks like dynamite. It doesn't look like a firecracker. I've played with firecrackers. They look like cigarettes. Hey, kid. Shouldn't you be in school? Not today. Okay. Maybe Jeff's my dad. Now's my chance to get a head start. You gotta be kidding me. How many kids did they trap here? Wait, what? Why is he saying that? Oh, there was a scream. Okay. Oh, money! Dude, all Springtrap's gotta do is just, like, have a trail of money leading to him. Dilf trap? That's terrible. Is this another picture? What? I swear I picked this up last time. Oh. And then he died because of dynamite. Okay.
Now, I can't imagine that you'd stay there very late at night. So I guess you don't need to worry about the whole animatronic situation.
Yeah, Minarinas.
If you really have nothing to do after work and want to stay a little bit longer, play some games in the arcade.
So true.
Not every machine works, though.
Everybody keeps dropping money. I probably maybe... Oh! This is just like that one game. Oh, you can't pick cameras. You can only cycle. He's practicing his moonwalk. Yeah, FNAF reference. In my FNAF game? Hey, there's some batteries in the locker. Oh, hell yeah. Alright, child. Hey, here. They're close. What? Who? The cameras. Balloon Boy? Why are you all saying Balloon Boy? He was on the monitor? Oh. Oh. Oh, hey, buddy. No kidding. Why are some of these so crappy? It's from, like, kids throwing cheese slices on the cameras. Follow me. We've got to get out of here. No, I can't. They're still out there. I need to get away from here. Distract the creature. God, I wonder what I can press. The emergency button. Oh, okay. Oh. That's a big wedding ring. More like wedding bracelet. Cool. You telling me mom hasn't noticed fake dad not wearing his wedding ring? Dude, Paige would notice immediately. Mom and dad have been together since they were kids. They always go through their wedding photo album on the day of their anniversary. I can't imagine what it would be like for mom to suddenly lose dad. That's funny. Who am I delivering this pizza to? Oh, okay. That's a lot of kids. Oh, that was an accident. Now we're doing that one again. Complete all mini games. Not a gamer. Is that a timer at the top or is that individual level? That's individual level. I assume that's what's gonna make it hard. Eventually the timer will just get too short. Oh, 3 pizzas now. My God. Damn it. That's alright. I wonder if there's like an infinite mode at the end, but don't tell me. More tickets, more tickets. I guess I'll need to win at least one more time before I get anything. Okay, perfect. You know what I want to kind of do? I want to beat Mike at the start of the game. How many points does he get? 300, but we share the balls. All right, nice. We've got another voucher. Oh. What? Who's this hunchback ass guy? It's Markiplier? Last I checked, Markiplier's hair wasn't going gray. How old was Markiplier? Was he like 35 or something? I don't think he's getting grays yet. Are there lore implications to his feet? He's wearing skates. Rip MatPat, you would have loved this game. Yeah, it's too bad what happened to him. Yo, Robo-Dog. That's a lot of blood. That's a lot of blood for FNAF. We've got to be ahead of FNAF 3 by now in blood. See you. What's that? What words can you use to finish that? Besides the obvious one. I can't think of any good ones. I'm sure there's two that we could all think of. Cucumber, that's a good one. Cucumber. Oh god, there's three that I can think of now. Fantastic. Cup, that's a good one. Where is this creature I'm supposed to be distracting? Where is anybody? Hello? Chat, did the audio die for you too? The creepy yellow rabbit is too close to the room. I need to lure it away with noise. But it's like not. Money. Money. Whoa, who keeps dropping all this money? Back to the arcade machines, chat. This one is just like one level. I think. Maybe you get the second level for winning. Can you drop? Wait, but I want that hat. Hold on. Oh, we found a spicy something. As long as I can come back and get my points. I'm just here to go see what's up with that dog mauling minigame. He's ripping apart the balloons with his bare hands. Oh. Get that. I got it. Oh man. Can I try that thing on again? Was I supposed to get it and not fall in the pit? 6. Okay, we gotta jump for it. You gotta be speedy quick. Should I do it again? I think I'm out of money. We gotta go raise some funds. Oh, the party room. I've never gone in there, have I? Let's go looting. No, where'd she go? Oh. Hey. Oh, money. Where's that? Okay. Fantastic. Where are you taking her, buddy? Where is he taking her? More importantly, money. Oh. That was close. Oh, you really can just catch it and not die. Okay, cool. Banger. We got it, Jet. Nice. 6 out of 5 hats collected. Hat game. Very solid. Yeah, okay. Now we gotta look for the kid. My guess is she's in the basement. Ah! Freaky ass. In a situation like that, though, you'd have less breath, because if you to hold your breath, he'd hear the... So you'd have to just like, you know? I know she's in here. Oh, she's in the freezer, dude. Jesus. How do you open freezers? This thing just smash it. There's a hammer in the back room. As if on cue, I seem to be forced to go to the back room. Oops. Is there a hammer in the... Freak it out. Freak it out. Freak it out. Get out of there, buddy. Oh my god. He keeps stripping. Bro, because he can't see shit. This guy instantly gets his breath back. Oh yeah, I have a flashlight. Yeah, that could come in handy. Forgot about this helpful little tool. Money. Oh, what the fuck? Good thing she beats her chest before chasing. Damn, guys. Shit, this did nothing for me. Oh, it's so over. Duh. I fumbled my my flashlight there. I effed when I shouldn't have effed. We're gonna go to all the effort of getting there, and the hammer's not gonna be in there. Oh, good. This is perfect. And go. That's what I thought. Chica's slow as fuck. This is a hammer, though. Are you kidding me? There's also a hammer on this board. Ah, is it the toy hammer in the arcade?